Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are liking the videos which I am bringing. I am bringing new videos of late, everything related to candles and whatever I am bringing as products in sale, so that people who want to even try can start trying that and get multiple benefits out of it. Now you're seeing this, it's a detailed video which I'm bringing. Now this also is a product which I'm bringing in sale, but at the same time you can also try it. And it has been a long time since I brought a tarot spell, a proper tarot spell. When I say tarot spell, it's with the help of tarot cards. And I know you all must be wondering that I have Archangel Michael with it. Years back, I think, if I'm not wrong, I had brought in a workshop in Bombay in 2017. 2016 was my 2014 or 15 was my first prosperity workshop. After that, I had brought in a workshop with runes and with Egyptian magic also, I remember, in Bombay, which had a beautiful success rate, and a lot of people had come there. I had brought in a small ritual with Archangel Michael, because Archangel Michael, many work with protection and they also work with cord cuttings, but I work with Archangel Michael even more than that. This is a very detailed spell which I will be covering, where I know it has a lot of candles, but believe me, it has beautiful power, it has beautiful energy. Because many of you know, even the chili candle, I have not launched much outside. I bring in from time to time for my candle magic students, I bring in from time to time for my sale, but I don't bring in much out. So what have I taken? I have taken this owl totem. I hope you all remember, or you've seen my video property buying and selling, where I always say owl totem is the best for anything you desire. I still remember how I used to just burn this every day 15 minutes along with Egyptian totem and with my Merlin candle, just to see to it that my house is getting built without any issues, and whatever are my desires or whatever were wishes where I felt manifestation is equal to impossible, but I know I can manifest it if I desire. So in those type of spells, I always add my owl totem. Now along with owl totem, I am adding 2 pink candles. One pink candle will be for the relationship between family members, and one will be if you are married, then for the marriage to be happy and a harmonical one, and if you're not married, to attract the right life partner in that ways. Now coming to the wolf, I will be working with the career to be good, be it business or be it even if you're working with someone, even if it is that, or even if you're in business, it starts giving you beautiful results and wolf magic begins. You all know I the only wordings which I always chant is wolf magic begins now. So the wolf is for the wolf's magic to start. Buddha, basically to bring in a lot of money, Lord Kubera, I would say, because I'm bringing the owl totem. Owl is the Vahan of Lakshmi Ji, so I've already added Lakshmi Ji's blessings here. Now I'm bringing in God Buddha's blessings here, the Kuber Bhagwan's blessings basically. And then I'm bringing in the normal owl. Owl here I'm bringing in for those, if you have children, for your children to be focused in work, focused in business, for that. And if you don't have children but you want to go abroad, then it is for that. And if you want to learn something more, you need a lot of focus to happen in life, then for that this is. Now this will represent the male member of the house or the head of the family. Now this is chili candle, but chili is not only in making people to shut their mouths, but chili also works in speeding the process, in bringing in beautiful luck and speeding the process. Now coming to what all oils I'll be using here. I have my speedy blessing oil and my magic enhancement oil. So what I do is I work on the owl totem and the Buddha with my speedy blessing oil, and the magic enhancement oil I use for the other candles, the wolf, the owl, and the pink candles. And on the male member of the house, I just sprinkle my wish powder along with my wish manifestation oil. So there are only 3 oils and 1 powder. Now how do we work on this? You can either, what you can do is keep the cards below each and do. Now if you feel I don't want to keep it below that, then what you should do is this setup will become little more bigger. Okay, so you will keep the card down. Like for example, what I do is I keep the card like this and I do it, but after some time I remember and then I take off the card. Now if you feel, what if I forget, I don't want the cards to get burnt, then what you will do is you will take a card, you will keep the card below the candle, you will keep a small plate or a small aluminum foil cup or a small bowl, and then you'll keep the candle on top of it. This is how also you can keep. So both the ways you can do. Why Michael? Because I want all my dreams and desires to happen. At the same time, I don't want unwanted energies, like negative energies, jealousy, or any unwanted harm happening to me. If there's any like the way people say, negativity is done, unwanted energies have been done on me. People have a lot of jealousy on me. People have a lot of people can't see me growing. So for all that, Michael is there to protect every aspect of life. So your owl totem is not only for manifestation but to protect every aspect of your life. Then I am going to take the 10 of cups. As I said, this is for the whole family. You are happy with every family member, so we keep it in one of the pink candles, and in the other pink candle I am taking the 2 of cups. If it is husband wife, then for the husband wife relationship. If it is you're seeking a partner in your life, then for that partner we keep the 2 of cups. I make such miniature cards. Now people who will be buying this in sale from me, all these cards will go to them. So that is the reason I am showing you the whole set. So people who pick it up, then for them this will come. Now Ace of Wands I will be keeping in front of my owl, so that my career, whatever is my career or my business, is bringing in good opportunities and is growing. In front of Kubera, 4 of Wands. Many people must be wondering why 4 of Wands, because 4 of Wands is nothing but, for me, even if you work from home, wherever you work from, it is, you enjoy. So how do you enjoy? When you get abundance, when you get prosperity, and when you like the work atmosphere, that is when you enjoy your work. So that's the reason I've kept that. And the Chariot card I'm keeping in front of the owl. So I'll be keeping in front of the owl the Chariot card. Now, as I said, the head of the family, the Emperor card. Okay, now this is how the setup will look. Alright, as I said, the Buddha is for Kubera. And what you can also do is, I think many a times I have said, I have my own video which I have made for Kubera Mudra, and how you can work on manifestation part when you're doing this. Even the same way, what you can do is, when you're doing this ritual, after you burn the candles, you can sit somewhere where you'll not be disturbed and do the Kubera Mudra for 10 minutes, and you can watch the candle burning, and you can desire an intent that my family is always protected and we live in happiness and harmony. I and my better half, or I am attracting the right soul partner. If I'm married, then I and my husband are living happily with no misunderstandings, and we live a harmonious life. My work is bringing in more and more opportunities, more and more money, more and more income. I am blessed with abundance, with the blessings of Lord Kubera. If there are children, my children are focusing in their studies, my children are growing in their studies. If it is not children, then if it is new opportunities coming your way, then I attract new opportunities. If it is you want to go abroad, then my abroad work is getting settled and I am leaving for abroad. I am happy with my travel abroad. Then Michael, I call on Archangel Michael to see to it that no part of my life, be it my career, be it my abundance, be it my energy, be it my focus, be it me, because Chili represents the head of family, be it me or any of my family members suffer from any unwanted energies or any unwanted people, anything which no longer deserve its purpose in my life, let it go in from me. Anything that is in my life to work on me on a negative way is away from me. I cut my cords and the cords of my family from any unwanted people who are no more good for my family. This is what I desire. So mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. You will say that, and then you will start the owl candle first, the owl totem, followed by both the pink candles, followed by the wolf, the owl, and then the Buddha, and last you will burn the head of the family candle. You can do this on every Sunday. You can do it on every Sunday afternoon by 12 o'clock. You can start this. You can do a Surya Mudra sitting in front of it, followed by the Kuber Mudra, and then let the candles burn completely. As I said, if you want the cards to be safe, keep the card below the candle, keep a small cup or a aluminium foil or a bowl, and keep the candle on top of it and then burn it. Do this for 11 Sundays. I always believe at least 11 times everything has to be done. Now when you're doing this for 11 times, you can use the same cards if you're keeping on top of a bowl. And then these cards, the rest of the days, you can put it in a green color or a red colored mojo bag and carry it with you. Or you can keep it somewhere in your room, and every week you can just take out and then you can do the same setup and then you can burn. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you're looking for any specific videos for specific issues of life. I would be more than happy to bring even those type of videos for you. Also let me know how you like this video, because when people give me feedback, I really love it and I want to explore more and more in this. That is the reason I keep asking for feedbacks. Last but not the least, do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so that you will know when I keep bringing new videos. And if you're not a part of my WhatsApp group, you can also WhatsApp me. I will add you to the group where all my products are updated, all my workshops are updated, and as and when I get time, I also update tips. But the main part of the WhatsApp group is these videos come in my WhatsApp group first, and then it goes to the public for people to watch it, so you can watch it much before than what others watch. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.